How to change refresh rate on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Now, tap on Motion. On the Motion screen, to change the refresh rate, look for Limit Frame Rate. To activate the limit refresh rate at 60 frames per second, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. Limiting the frame rate can be a useful way to help conserve battery life. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily change the refresh rate on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.